Hello, everyone. This is Zach once again, and I got a request for how to get your cover art from the internet via Batocera. So, first things first, got to make sure you're connected to the internet. So you can come on down here, network settings, and plug in your Wi-Fi SSID and put in your password. And it should connect, and you should see a little Wi-Fi symbol in the top right. Once you've got that, you're going to come on over to Scraper. Select which service you want to scrape from. For this, we'll use Screen Scraper. And then you can do various settings on what you want it to scrape for and how you want it to scrape. This one is using Paul's username and password. And then you can set for which ones you want it to do, when it was last done, which systems you want to include, all that. And then you just hit Scrape Now. It's going to take a bit, especially if it's been a while since you last scraped. So this is now going to go through every single game, and if it's missing any media that it can grab, it's going to grab it. You can also go into a game and say it's showing the wrong cover art. A notorious one for this is unfortunately Twilight Princess and not Ocarina of Time, and Wind Waker. They get confused for some reason, but whichever one you end up picking, long press the A button or south. Come in here and you can hit scrape due to the fact we're already scraping. Oh, look at that. It worked. So yeah, long press, scrape, give it a minute. I can hear my laptop in the background, which is what this is currently running on. Hear the fans spooling up for it. And one other note to make, when it does finish scraping, if you're in a game already, it will kick you out. So this is, especially if you're doing everything, um, best done when you're not going to be using the console. I believe, yes. And that's how you stop it. You just go back in and say, scrape again, and it'll say, are you sure you want to do that? But before you can use Screen Scraper, um, if you're not using the account provided by Paul, you do have to make your own. So, if we come on over to the internet and go to screenscraper.fr, because it's a French website, thus the French, you come over here, register. It's a very slow site, by the way. And you put in username, password, confirm password, email. If you want to participate and share your data, you can do that too. Hit send, and then you'll, I believe, get an email asking you to confirm, and then you should be good to go. And you'll just use that username and password that you made on here back in Batocera. Just right in the scraper settings. Right on here. So, this is actually a pretty short one, it seems. That's everything. That's how you scrape media so that you can have your box art and so that it doesn't just look like the SNES blank cartridge that it'll sometimes give you. And then you can also get pretty nitty gritty in it. I believe you can grab your own stuff and set it as well. But if Screen Scraper doesn't work, the game's DB is another good one, and Arcade DB for more arcade games. They all work quite well. All right. I don't think there's anything else I have to add to this. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment down below. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more future tutorials. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.